If I could show you a way to mine Bitcoin with absolutely no mining equipment or experience, would you be interested? Or, better yet, how about winning part of a block reward for, say, $6.25 or less? It's called NiceHash, and if you are not familiar, it is the fastest growing option for getting or mining crypto with little or no effort, equipment, or IT knowledge. On the NiceHash platform, they take care of it for you. By the way, this video is my honest review of the site, and full disclosure, I use the site and it is not sponsored by NiceHash. So, NiceHash is a site that has been likened to legalized betting you can do on your phone, tablet, or frankly, while taking care of business in that special little room. The site is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The legalized betting part comes after you sign up for a free account to the site and deposit a small amount of Bitcoin to get things started. Head over to the section Easy Mining to buy hash power for a chance to hit it big and get a part of a Bitcoin reward. Or maybe you want to try for Litecoin and Dogecoin instead of winning Bitcoin. Currently, you can win any of the following tokens: Bitcoin, Ravencoin, Doge, or Litecoin, or Bitcoin Cash packages. You need to start small and earn Bitcoin easily if luck is on your side. Now you must remember, hitting a block is rare. In 8 months, I have only hit 3 Bitcoin Cash and 2 Raven blocks out of playing some 40 times. In this video, we will explore NiceHash together. We'll learn how it works and how you can use it. But first, this is very important. Nothing in this video is financial advice. This is only for education. Let's get started on your crypto journey. NiceHash is a platform for mining cryptocurrency. Think of it like a marketplace. People with powerful computers that they aren't using much computing power at the moment can sell their computing power to the public. This is one of several options within the NiceHash website. People who want to mine cryptocurrency without expensive equipment typically buy this hash rate. Or, some days I want to have some fun and I will buy a package to see if I get a block. It is no different than if I stopped at a gas station and bought a lottery ticket. It is only a very small percentage of the people will actually get a block reward. So this is not a way to get rich quick. It is just plain fun taking a chance some evening while I am watching YouTube videos. The NiceHash computing power is use it to mine Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Now, this is for the beginner, or those new to crypto who want to learn and earn about mining. Small miners who only have a few rigs benefit from this site because it is so simple, and NiceHash will switch algorithms to the most profitable, and you get paid out in the coin of your choice, not what was mined. You don't need to be a computer expert or have an IT department on standby. You don't need to buy expensive hardware unless you want to go a different direction. NiceHash takes care of everything for you. The NiceHash platform connects you with sellers who have the computing power you need. These sellers are individuals or companies with powerful mining rigs that they rent out to others. Your purchased hash rate is then used to mine Bitcoin. The process is automated, so you don't need to worry about the technical details. You earn Bitcoin based on the amount of hash rate you purchased and how long you mine for. The more hash rate you buy, the more potential you have to earn. It's that simple. So, looking to expand your operations, or a beginner wanting to dip your toes into the world of cryptocurrency, NiceHash provides a user-friendly platform to help you achieve your goals. Happy mining! Some people compare NiceHash to gambling. It's important to understand why they are the same, and just like at the casino, you can lose big on NiceHash just as well if you don't hit a block. With NiceHash's easy mining, you bet on an outcome that you can't control. NiceHash, you're investing in someone's computing power, will get you a block or a part of a block. One huge byproduct of this service is you're participating in the process that secures the Bitcoin network. Okay, so you have decided to use NiceHash to start you into the world of mining your first Bitcoin or other crypto. Now that you have a NiceHash account, you can start mining several ways. You can add your GPUs or ASICs to mine on their platform, or try your hand renting the service as I explained in the previous chapter. NiceHash simplifies the process, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of age or technical expertise. Now let's visit about using your equipment on the NiceHash platform. We start with logging into your NiceHash account. Next, fund your account with Bitcoin or another accepted cryptocurrency. This step is crucial as it allows you to start mining and cover any associated fees. You can easily transfer funds from your cryptocurrency wallet to your NiceHash account within a few minutes. Then, Choose a mining pool and an algorithm. NiceHash offers a variety of options, so you can select the one that best suits your needs. Mining pools allow multiple users to combine their computational power, increasing the chances of earning Bitcoin. Don't worry too much about the technical details. NiceHash is designed to be user-friendly, even for those who are new to cryptocurrency mining. The platform will guide you through each step, ensuring you make the best choices. NiceHash will recommend the best options based on your hardware and preferences. These recommendations help optimize your mining experience, making it as efficient and profitable as possible. After that, set your desired hash rate and click Start. The hash rate determines how much computational power you're dedicating to mining. Higher hash rates can lead to higher earnings, but they also consume more energy. Congratulations! You are now mining Bitcoin or almost any other token with NiceHash. This is a significant milestone, and you should be proud of your achievement. As you continue mining, you'll gain more experience and potentially increase your earnings. You can track your earnings and withdraw your Bitcoin at just about any time. NiceHash provides a detailed dashboard where you can monitor your mining activity, check your balance, and initiate withdrawals. Remember, mining is a long-term investment, so be patient and persistent. Happy mining! Crypto mining and the law. Well, I will not state an opinion here. You decide for yourself. Cryptocurrency and mining are relatively new. Laws and regulations vary from country to country. In most places, mining Bitcoin is legal. However, it's important to check the specific laws in your jurisdiction. Make sure you understand the tax implications of your mining earnings. When in doubt, consult with a legal or financial professional, not financial advice. Here are a few tips for beginners. First, start small. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Second, do your research. Learn about Bitcoin mining and NiceHash before you start. Third, be patient. Mining takes time. Don't expect to get rich quick. Fourth, stay informed. Keep up to date on the latest developments in the cryptocurrency world. Check out a site called cryptobubbles.com for another good resource. All right, let's finish up with a conclusion so you can start your crypto adventure. NiceHash makes it easy for anyone to mine Bitcoin. You don't need any special skills or expensive equipment. With a few simple steps, you can start earning Bitcoin today. Remember to start small, do your research, and be patient. Cryptocurrency is an exciting new world, and NiceHash is your gateway to it. I hope you have truly enjoyed the video. I have one small ask as I spend a lot of time and money in my videos. Would you please subscribe to the channel if you are not a member, and post a comment below what you think about NiceHash. I have another video you may be interested in listed here. Please help us grow by telling your friends about us. Bye for now.